Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you an easy evening snack recipe using leftover rice. Come, let's check the recipe. Here I have taken 2 green chillies cut into small pieces, 1 small onion and some curry leaves. Here comes our main ingredient, 1 cup leftover rice. Also we need 1/4 cup semolina. Take a mixer jar and add the rice to it. Add salt to taste and half teaspoon jeera powder. Now grind the rice without adding any water. To mix the other ingredients easily, I am shifting the rice to a bowl. Now add onion, green chilies, curry leaves and semolina to the rice and mix them well. Now make small rice balls and gently press it to get a small circle shape. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons ghee. Now shallow fry the prepared rice balls. After 2 minutes, flip them all. Once a snack is cooked well and both the sides became slight brown color, you can switch off the flame and transfer the snack to a serving plate. Our easy and tasty evening snack with leftover rice is ready to serve now. Hope you liked the video. Please try the recipe and leave your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.